Now here the question is, let T1 and T2 be two tangents drawn from -2, 0 onto the circle x square plus y square equals 1. So we have coordinate axis, and then we have this circle x square plus y square equals 1. And from this point, -2, 0, two tangents are drawn to it. So here, center is at origin and radius is 1 unit. So this is -1, 0, and this is 1, 0. Now it says, determine the circles touching C and having T1, T2 as their pair of tangents. So we need to find equation of circles which touch this given circle and also these two lines. So we'll have two such circles, one here and another one which will be drawn like this. And further find equation of all possible common tangents to these circles when taken two at a time. Now we'll draw these perpendiculars. This is 90, this is 90, and this is also 90. Now here, this is 1 and this is 2, and if this angle is theta, we can write sine theta equals 1 by 2, that is theta is pi by 6. Now suppose this point is h, 0 and its radius is r. Then we can write sine theta, which is 1 by 2, will be r upon h plus 2, or h plus 2 equals 2r. So the value of h is 2r minus 2, and that's our first equation. And if you find equation of these two tangents, say T1 equals 0 and T2 equals 0. Now here this angle is pi by 6. So here this slope will be 1 by root 3 and here will be minus 1 by root 3. So this T1 will be y minus 0, 1 by root 3 x plus 2, that is x minus root 3y plus 2 equals 0, and this T2 will be y minus 0 minus 1 by root 3 x plus 2, and will be x plus root 3y plus 2 equals 0. Now we need to find another relation between h and r. Now we know that this distance, it is mod h, and it is equal to 1 plus r. So basically we can write plus minus 1 plus r, it is equal to 2r minus 2. If we take this plus sign, we'll get r equals 3, and if we take minus sign, then we get r as 1 by 3. So radius of this smaller circle, it is 1 by 3, and radius of this bigger circle, it is 3. And once we have radius, we can write their centers also. Now in this case, when r is 1 by 3, this is 2 by 3 minus 2. So there will be minus 4 by 3. So center of this circle will be at minus 4 by 3, 0. And for this circle, center will be at, now this is 6 minus 2, 4, 4, 0. Once you have center and radius, we can write equation of both the circles. So equation of this first circle will be x plus 4 by 3 square plus y square equals 1 by 9. And the equation of this larger circle will be x minus 4 whole square plus y square equals 9. So these are the equation of two such circles. Now we have to find equation of all common tangents. Now in between these two circles we have these two lines, and then we'll also have this common tangent. So equation of this common tangent will be, say, T3, and will be given by x equal to -1, and here also we'll have this common tangent, which is, say, T4, and will be x equal to 1. So that's your circle C. This is suppose C1, and this is your C2. So in between C and C1 we have T1, T2 and T3, and in between C and C2 we'll have T1, T2 and T4. Now in between C1, C2 we'll have two direct tangents, which are simply T1 and T2, and we'll also have two transverse tangents which we want to work out. So we have to work out two transverse tangents in the case of C1 and C2. Now we redraw it. So we have two circles, C1 and C2, and we are looking for their transverse common tangent. Now this center, it is at -4/3, 0, and here this is 4, 0. This radius is 1/3, and this radius is simply 3. Now we know that this point, we'll divide them in the ratio R1 is to R2, and this ratio is 1/3 is to 3, so it'll be this 1/9. So we can find this point as 4 -12 upon 10, 0. So it'll be -8/10 or -4/5. So this point P, it is -4/5, 0. Now we have to find equation of pair of tangents to these. Now we know that equation of this line, it can be expressed as y minus 0 equals m x plus 4/5, or simply 5mx minus 5y plus 4m equals to 0. Now perpendicular distance from center must be equal to its radius. So we'll get 20m plus 4m upon 5 under root 1 plus m square, and it'll be equal to its radius, which is 3. Now this is 24, which is 8m, and if we square it, we'll get 64m square is equal to 25, and 25m square. This is 39m square equals 25. So value of m is plus or minus 5 by under root 39. So equation of indirect common tangents, it will be given by y equals plus minus 5 by under root 39 x plus 4/5, and that is the answer to this question.